Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngotando nesithembu. I think also one thing that we are all not ready to talk about because we have different faves in this show or reality TV, right? We are not fair in discussing Guti. Everybody in that relationship, in that stembu, got in with some story or another. Like there's no one that was said like, I am the first wife. He found me first. After 5 years, he got married to me, and then he said he wanted his temple, or like honestly story after story. That's why I'm saying that. I was pissed about uMacele dragging uMakhumalo ukuthi uMakhumalo ungene kanjani. And I'm like, girl, nawe ungene kanjani? Now ungene kanjani because when you married uMseleku, you knew ngoMacele, and that is why you were able to say uMacele eyakhe indaba akwazi ukuyikhuluma iyawukhulunywa kwelinye ilizwe hayi. That spoke volumes because that meant ukuthi you know ukuthi uMacele uMayeni uncomfortability yakhe ikuphi. Bazalwane, whether we like it or not, whether Mayeni is our fave or not, Mayeni is the matriarch of that family. Not necessarily by marriage, but relationship-wise, you know. But Ken is on piece as Pumen Lab. She is not one uMacele to quote how uMakhumalo got into that marriage. Because naye ube number one by default. The reason why she keep on saying angishadanga indoda yomuntu is because she knew ukuthi uMayeni rather was on the picture. That is uMacele. uMacele knew that uMayeni was on the picture, and uMayeni was the love of Musa's life, or a woman that Musa loved, but Musa could not marry uMayeni at the time because of the family dynamics, right? So being married under those circumstances, ungakhuluma ukuthi omunye ungene ngokushaya isigubhu. Now you did not get in an ideal situation or under ideal circumstances. Like guys know, angisho according to the story, uma ngwabe naye udonsiwe. And another thing, uma Khumalo akazithengisanga lapha. Umusa Mseleku clearly also said ukuthi wangena ngalo uMasawuli uMakhumalo. Wadonswa naye uMasawuli uMamsawuli amthandile ukuthi nawe uzongena la usijoine ube umfazi kaMusa Mseleku. So I'm very upset like ukuthi uMacele, you cannot throw stones while you're living at a glass door, because singakhuluma statement C1 sikhulume sithi uMayeni kuqhaqheka umkhukhu, because even in confrontations uMacele cannot confront uMayeni. You should notice that the only time uMayeni would speak, uMacele would speak foul of uMayeni, it's during our diary sessions. If you have not picked it up, please pick it up. But guys, Moses Tinjini Gunje, good whole step you must stay in your lane. Also, Modilon Zedinch, Mona number 6, honor baby, Haka Matorokis, Mushito Zwelepil, Mara Umakalena, Hashem, your faith, no, Mkuzen.